To install your new Marley SmartSeries wall heater, you will need the following tools. For best results, do not install on an outside wall, ceiling, behind doors, or in a horizontal position. Please follow the mounting clearances found in the installation manual. Carefully open top flaps of carton and remove remote control and bottom bezel from foam packing. Then remove grill, heater assembly, and back box and carefully set aside. Locate installation manual and user's guide. Please save these manuals. Once a location for the heater is found, use a stud finder and mark the vertical wall studs. Carefully measure and mark the rough opening for the heater back box by using a ruler and level. Be sure to follow the installation manual section for installation of back box and finished wall. Use a drill for a starter hole and a jigsaw to cut the rough opening. Remember, always wear safety glasses. Be careful not to cut any existing wiring and do not install under a wall receptacle. Remove the heater assembly for the back box by removing 8 screws. Set the screws aside as you will need them to attach the fan deck back to the back box when it is installed. Then remove the upper right or left side knockout for the power supply and install an appropriate strain relief or conduit connector. Run power supply cable through the strain relief, leaving about 6 inches of wire leads inside the back box. For proper spacing behind the back box upper flange, it is recommended to place a 1/8 inch thick spacer prior to final attachment of the back box to the stud to allow enough space for the grill to fit properly over the back box. Secure a back box using 2 1-inch long No. 8 wood screws, not provided, on the side against the stud, and 1 No. 8 3-inch long wood screw, not provided, through lower mounting hole on the other side of the back box. Guide the heat deck flange through the back box slot openings. Be careful not to lodge the ribbon connector behind the circuit board. Attach the heater assembly to the back box with 4 of the screws set aside earlier. For wiring 120-volt heaters as shown, connect the white neutral supply lead to the heater's white pigtail lead. Connect the black supply lead to the heater's black pigtail lead. Connect the supply cable ground wire to the ground pigtail lead provided. Position the junction box cover over the back box. Before mounting, carefully feed the ribbon connector through the elongated slot. Then align the 4 mounting holes to the back box and attach cover using the 4 remaining screws. While holding the right side of grill in your right hand, extend the ribbon connector with the free hand and fit the black connector into the black slot on the back of the grill. Lower top of grill so the grill flanges catch the back box top flange and hold it in place firmly. Secure the grill by inserting 2 screws in the holes located in the bottom bezel that align with the holes in the heater assembly. Please do not over-tighten mounting screws. This may damage the grill. Located in the bottom bezel area, there are two safety devices. A warning indicator light that will illuminate if there is an overheat condition, and the manual reset safety limit which will shut heater down in case of overheating. Place the bottom bezel in position over the grill and snap tabs into the corresponding holes, making sure it is seated securely. See User's Guide for complete instructions on how to operate and program the electronic control.